Now check here. We continue this question. The 32 and 50. So we can make the pair of this number. Then 5 plus 5 is nearest square is 25. So we can take this 5. Then multiply 107 minus 7. It will be multiplied. 107 into 7 is going to come 749. It is the nearest number to the 750. It is nearest number to the 750. So we can do addition 14 1. Subtraction 0 0 1. So we can find out square number. We have to subtract this number. 3250 minus 1 is going to come 3249. So we can say that 3249 square root of 57. And we can write answer. 1 is subtracted to get perfect square. To get a perfect square. Okay. Then next is the 4000. We can take 4000. Next question is there 4000. So we can make the pair of there 40 and 0 0. 40 and 0 0. So which is the nearest perfect square of 40? 6 6 6 36. Here adding here subtraction 12. Remaining 0 0. So we can take which is the nearest square. 12 is there. So which number should we add to get here nearest number? 12 3s are 12 3s are 3 will take 3 3s are 9. 12 3s are 36. So here 3, here 3, here 3. Addition, subtraction. 369. 1 3 0. 1 2 6. So we can say that therefore 4000 minus 31 is equal to 3969. So square root of 3969 will be 63 and 31 is subtracted to get perfect square. Okay, so this is done of the subtraction of the number. Now same as it is we have to do for the addition. So this concept understood. We can go for the next for the addition. Which number should we add to get a perfect square number? Which number should we add to get a perfect square number? Which number should we add to get a perfect square number? So the first number is given 525. Same as this process, you can find out the division method rule. This nearest square 2 2 2 4 minus plus. What is remaining? 25. Which is the square number here? Now 4. We can take 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. It's bigger, so we can take smallest. 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 2 plus minus 84. So 125 minus 84, 1 4 44. So 41 is here, but we should not take that one. Here some different method is there. For addition we can check. So we can subtract this number. So 22 square is equal to 484, which is smaller than number 525. This number is smaller than this, and this is smaller than. After 22, which number is there? 23. So this, what is the number given? 525 this number lie between the square 22 and 23. This number lie between the 22 and 23. So 23 square is what? 23 square is 529 and it is greater than 525. So we can subtract. So 529 minus 525 is going to come subtraction 4. So we can say that 4 is smallest number which is added in 525 to get perfect square. Just check once again. 525, same process we had to do. Then here some difference is there. What we done in subtraction method, we subtracted the remainder, but here remainder is not work out. So what we had to do? We had to check the quotient. What is the quotient is there? 22. So 22 square is 848. 484. So this number is smaller than the given number. And what is the 22 number? 22's next number 23. So 23 square is 529. So this 23 and 22, 525 lie between the number 22 and 23 square. 525 lie between the 22 and 23 square. So 23 square is equal to 529 which is greater than 525. So we have to do subtraction of the given number and the greater number square. So greater number square minus given number is equal to 4. So here we got the 4. So we can say that 4 is the smallest number which is added to the given number. Which is given number 525 to get a perfect square. So 525 is there. We have to add 4. Then we can get the square number here. We can check another example. Just check now. Same, whatever we done now division method, same as it is we have to do here. 1750. Same process. Which is the nearest square number? 17 square number 4. 16 minus plus 4 plus 4 8 1 remaining 50. So which number we have to take? 81, because 82 will be going to be 162. So it's not, which is not subtracted from 150. We have to take 1. So 81 ones are 81. 1 81 plus 1 82 minus 9 6. So therefore we can say that 41 square is equal to, we can subtract this number from here. Okay, 41 square is equal to what will become? 750 minus 69. What is the answer going to become? 114 8. 41 square, which is 1681, which is smaller than 750. Then 41 square is this, and 41's next number 42. So 42 square is, which is greater than 1750. 1750. So 42 square how much? 42. 42 into 42. 42 2s are 84. Carry 8. 42 4s are 84 and 84. 168. 168. So here 168 plus 8. 168 plus 8, 176. So here 41 square less than 1750 less than 42 square is equal to 1764. 1764. So we can say that subtract that number. We can subtract the number. So 1764 minus 750 is going to come 14. Is going to come 14. So therefore 1764 minus 1750 is equal to 14. So therefore 14 is smallest number which is added in 1750 to get perfect square. Perfect square. Okay, just you have to look at this answer. 1750, same process. Okay, which is the square number here? Got question 41. 41 square is 1750 minus 69. So it's going to come 1681, which is smaller than 1750 given number. This number is a given number, and 42. 42 is the greater than the 41. So 42 is greater number, which is a smaller, and this is a greater than the 1750. So 42 square is equal to 1764. 1764. Subtraction of both is going to come 14. So 14 is the smallest number which is added in 1750 to get a perfect square. Next number we can just check 1825. 1825. So 1825, which is the nearest square number? 18 4 plus minus 16. What is remaining here? 2. Remaining 25. So we can take 82 into 2, because if we take the 83, so 8 3s are 24, which is greater than this number. So we can take smallest number 82. 82 into 2 is going to come 164. 164. Addition, subtraction. So here 1 6. Subtraction will be 61. Subtraction of the 225 minus 164 is 61. So therefore 42 square is equal to 1825 minus 61 is going to come 5 minus 1 4. 82 minus 6 176. So here we got 1764. So which is the greater number? This is the greater than 1825. So after 42, which is the greater number? 43. So 43 square we can find out. 43 into 43. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 0. 3 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 16 1 17. So here we got 1849. 1849. The square of the 43. Square of the 43 is 1849. So we can say that 1849 minus 1825 is equal to 24. Is equal to 24. And we can say that 24 is smallest number which is added in 1825 to get perfect square number. So same as it is, we have to do for the remaining example. Okay, if anybody having a doubt related to these questions, you can just send me the message. Okay, bye.